Hello, my beloved. My name is Mateo, and my passion is to explore everything about happiness, law of attraction, how to just live the most blissful life that you can today. And today we are going to talk about the textbook of life by Martin Kojc, the third lesson. It was life-changing for me because when you try to force something, it will happen opposite. So let's start it. Hello, my beloved. How are you doing today? How is your world doing? Are you totally being happy? Are you totally being yourself? Are you just enjoying this beautiful day? It's here just for you, and you totally deserve to live a good, happy, fulfilling, amazing life. Just live your life your way. So, my beloved, today we are reading the textbook of life by Martin Kojc, and our third lesson is today on, and you should totally read it yourself because it's going to slowly change your view on the life. The second lesson was the most important lessons to me by now, but when I read now third one, is that the most important? So let's start it. I am going to just read you the pointers that I think that were very important to me, but read it really yourself. So let's start it. Lasting success and health can never be achieved by faith. That is, by emotionally accepting the various claims and opinions we make for ourselves. This will be achieved through the knowledge that is self-justified belief. Self-justified belief or true knowledge is attained by man with cognition, man with his proper spiritual knowledge. Indeed, he simply no longer interferes with the fulfillment of the desire. The desire is fulfilled simply as a gift. Conviction automatically realizes what is desired. All things desirable as well as unwanted always fall into his hands as gifts, as he is convinced that this is going to happen. From this we have two vital laws. If you want to force health or success, you can always be sure that there will be a disease or failure and will last. Second, if craving or longing for health and success is silent, we can always be sure that we have health or success, or that they will come or last. From this we see that good health, prosperity, happiness, success, and similar should not be sought in validation, enforcement, but in the denial, suppression of human desire. Only when health and success are no longer extinct, they are going to come, and health and success. Happiness only comes after we have given up on it. Nothing desire means everything you want, getting. It is only through suffering that we can recognize our mistakes. Suffering accelerates our development, leads us even closer, determining that we really know the truths, which then eliminated suffering and put in its place the most blissful serenity, peace, and granted. Only by knowing the truth does one come to believe that what is desirable is going to happen. So this was the third lesson from the textbook of life by Martin Kojc. I just get shortly through it, but the most important to me is that when you try to force your desire, then it will happen the total opposite of what you really desire. You just have to believe that the universe wants to give you all these desires, and just don't interrupt with that path, with that pattern, and just follow your intuition. That is going to guide you toward your everything that your heart desires. So much love and have a beautiful day. Enjoy really who you are. Be really who you are. Love really who you are. Just connect more to your heart. Follow your bliss, as Joseph Campbell said. Listen to your heart and just do more what really makes you happy. And don't forget to follow your heart. Bye.